Stop and listen. Why rich people don't buy in the cities? Instead, they do this. Most people think rich investors buy properties in big city, but you are wrong. Instead, they buy in undeveloped areas, places with no malls, no major roads, just land. Sound risky, right? But they know something most people don't. They don't mind waiting. As the area develops with new businesses, roads, and malls, the property value skyrockets. And that's how they make massive profit. Rich investors plays the long game because they have the money and resources to wait for the right moment. They also have the connection that share them secrets and help them analyze the potential of a location so they can sell at the highest price. But what if you're not rich yet? Here's the good news. Most people start by buying rental properties in the city, like Manila. The appreciation might be slower, but you get a steady cash flow. And over time, you can grow, reinvest, and diversify, just like the wealthy do. So, don't feel stuck. Start with small, think long term, and keep growing. My question is, would you rather invest in rental for cash flow or buy in future development? Please drop your thoughts below. Thank you.